Hey beautiful friends, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 best apps to hide apps on Android. At number 5, we've got App Hider, Hide Apps and Photos, a super useful app if you care about privacy on your phone. This app lets you hide other apps, photos, and even videos, so they don't show up on your home screen or gallery at all. Everything stays locked inside a secure space. One cool feature is the built-in calculator disguise. It looks like a normal calculator, but once you enter your passcode, it opens your hidden vault. It also lets you clone apps, so you can run multiple accounts on the same device. It's perfect if you share your phone or just want to keep personal stuff private without deleting anything. Definitely a solid choice if you want simple, everyday privacy without complicated setup. Alright. At number 4, we've got Hide Apps. App Hider. A simple but powerful tool if you want to keep certain apps completely out of sight. This app basically lets you hide apps from your home screen and app drawer, so no one even knows they're there. You can also lock access with a PIN or pattern, which adds an extra layer of privacy. One cool feature is the built-in vault where you can store photos and videos securely. Plus, it often disguises itself as a calculator, so it looks totally normal on your phone. If you share your device or just want more control over your privacy, this is a super practical option. Definitely worth checking out if you like keeping things low-key. Coming in at number 3, we've got Calculator, App Hider and Locker. And this one's pretty clever. At first glance, it looks like a normal calculator app. But behind that simple interface, it actually lets you hide apps, photos, and even lock sensitive content on your phone. One of the best features here is the Secret Vault. You can access hidden apps by entering a custom PIN right inside the calculator. It also supports app cloning, so you can run 2 accounts of the same app without anyone noticing. And for extra privacy, it can hide notifications and remove the app from recent apps. This is super useful if you share your phone or just want to keep certain apps and data completely private without raising suspicion. Overall, it's a smart, low-key privacy tool that does exactly what it promises. At number 2, we've got Hide App Hider, Hide Apps, and this one's all about keeping your private apps completely out of sight. So basically, it lets you hide apps from your home screen and app drawer, making them invisible to anyone else using your phone. Super clean and easy to set up. One thing I like is the built-in password or pattern lock, so only you can access the hidden apps. It also includes a disguised interface, so it doesn't even look like an app hider at first glance, which is a nice extra layer of privacy. This is really useful if you share your phone with friends or family, or just want to keep certain apps private without uninstalling anything. Definitely a solid pick if privacy matters to you. Finally, kicking off the list at number 1, Calculator Vault App Hider. At first glance, it looks like a simple calculator. But behind it, you can hide apps, photos, and even videos completely out of sight. One of the coolest features is the Secret Vault access. You enter a passcode on the calculator to unlock your hidden content. It also lets you clone apps, so you can run multiple accounts on the same device. Plus, there's built-in privacy protection like app lock and hidden notifications. It's super useful if you share your phone or just want to keep certain apps and files private without anyone noticing. Simple, clean, and pretty effective. Definitely a solid pick to start this list. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next one.